There are six trigonometry function, and we will know the signs of trigonometric function with the help of this diagram. We will construct a unit circle. These are the coordinate axes, x-axis, this is y-axis. We will add this be a unit circle whose radius is 1. So the coordinates of these points A 1, 0, B 0, 1, C minus 1, 0, D is a C, and D is a 0, -1. Now suppose there is a point P on the circle whose coordinates are A and B. We know that the points, the value of x towards this are positive and towards this are negative. The values of y coordinate are here positive and here negative. So here in this this is the first quadrant. Here A is positive, B is positive. This is second quadrant. This is a third quadrant, and this is a fourth quadrant. Now coordinate of P means A is this, suppose this is OM, and this is a PM is a B, and this value is A. We know that A upon 1, let this angle in the anti-clockwise direction be x. So A upon x is a cos x, implies A is cos x. B perpendicular upon hypotenuse is a sin x, means value of B is a sin x. Therefore here A is positive, B is positive. Therefore sin is positive, and value of this cos sin x is positive, and cos x is also positive. Now see in the if we draw, if we take angle in the clockwise direction, then angle will be minus x. So by symmetry we can draw a diagram like this. Let this be Q. Then the coordinate of Q will be A comma minus B, because in this direction this value is positive and this is a negative. B will be negative from this to this, because y coordinate is negative in the downward direction. So see here, if this A is cos x, B is sin x, therefore value becomes cos x comma minus sin x, which means this value is 1. Therefore see here, this is perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse in this triangle. Therefore A upon 1 is again cos x, implies A is cos x, minus cos x, minus cos x. A is minus cos x. But here the value of A is therefore cos minus x is cos x, because A is equal to cos of minus x, but A is cos x, therefore cos minus x is cos x. See here, minus B perpendicular upon hypotenuse is a sine of minus x, but B, the value of B is sin x, therefore sine minus x is equal to minus sin x. Now see here, we can see from this cos is in the fourth quadrant positive and sine is negative. See here, sine is negative. Now see in the second quadrant, if point P reaches here, the value A will be here, A will be negative, and B will be positive. The value of B will be positive. And here A is this point P will be, if reaches here, then the coordinates are A will be negative, A is negative, B is also negative. Now from A and B, because A is cos x, B is sin x. So here we can see A is cos x is negative, sin x is positive. So from these value, we also know that if we take A value is 1 here 1, 0, -1, 0 and 1. It means A is between 1 and -1. That is cos x lies between -1 and 1. Similarly, see here V 0, 1. B is sin x. B is a sin x. The value of B is 0, 1, 0, -1 and 0. Therefore, B is also lies between -1 and 1. Means -1 less than equal to sin x less than equal to 1. The value of sin x and cos x lies between -1 and 1. Now we can also conclude from these values all the 6 t ratios. Now see in the table, this is first quadrant, second, third and fourth. These are the 6 trigonometric function. First is sine. We take the first quadrant here. A is positive, B is positive. A is here sin x and B is cos x. So we see both are positive, means positive and positive. Tan x is sin x upon cos x. Therefore positive upon positive, positive. This is cos x upon sin x. This is again positive. This is 1 upon secant x is 1 upon cos x, means positive. Cosecant x 1 upon sin x. Therefore this is also positive. It means in the first quadrant all t ratios are positive. So all the t ratio in the first quadrant are positive. See in the second, here A is negative. In the second quadrant A is negative, means cos is negative, sin is positive. Sin is positive. Now from these two we can conclude this is sin x upon cos x, means negative, cos x upon sin negative. This is also negative, and 1 upon sin x means 1 upon positive value is positive. So in the second quadrant, two values sin x and in the second quadrant 2 sin x and cosecant x are positive, all other are negative. Now see in the third, here A is negative. A is negative. Therefore sin is negative, cos is negative. Both are negative and negative. Sin x upon cos x means negative on negative is a positive. This is also positive. This is negative and negative. In the fourth quadrant we see here cos x is a positive, sin x is a negative. So this is negative, this is positive. Now because of cos x, secant x is positive. All the others are be negative. So these are the signs of the trigonometric functions here.